Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and on this channel I share with you how to make money, how to save money, and how to multiply your money through investing. So today I'm going to be walking you through top 3 quality stocks that I'm currently watching for this week. It's a new week. Today is Monday 28th of October, and we are having one of the most amazing, most anticipated earnings week, and I am super excited. I hope you are. If you're already into stocks, you should be enjoying this type of content. And please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It helps YouTube to show this video to more people, and I do hope you learn one or two things. So let's talk about it. First of all, I want you to know that stocks can make you over $100 every month if you know the right stocks you're buying, when to buy, when to sell. So, because of that, I will still repeat it. You deserve to be rich. So, what will you be learning in this video? I'm going to show you the next set of stocks that I'm currently watching. I'm going to share with you my buy zones, and I'm going to show you how people make money from them and how stocks are creating new millionaires. The good thing about stock market is that no matter how where you are in life, you're definitely going to find a spot for you to make money. And if you have not understood anything about stock, please, we do have a stock to wealth basic foundation 20 video lessons that you need to go and take. It's important because it will help you to hasten your financial journey, especially if you're looking to make money from the stock market. So without much ado, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please consider liking this video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know which of the 3 stocks that I'm going to talk about that you're interested in, if you have bought it already or you are hoping to buy, or you don't even know how to buy stocks. I would like to know, because I'm trying to see the next kind of video I will do, maybe to give you a step-by-step beginner guide. I would like to hear from you before I do that video. So let's get into the main juice. I always like to remind you that this is a disclaimer. For the ideas I'm sharing here, things that have worked for me and people in my community. So I do my own research, and things that have worked for me are the things I share with you here. I expect you to do your own due diligence, and for that, this is for educational purposes. But if you like this type of content and you make money from this type of content, I would like you to support this YouTube channel. So I want to ask you a question. Do you know that the big boys in hoods are reporting earnings this week? Do you know that there are some new opportunities that are coming up now in the stock market? Because when one thing about earnings reports is that when companies do their earnings, it's like a report card. You've gone to school, you've written some exams, and when they give you your report card, that's what you take to your parents, and then they look there and they see the subjects you're doing well in, or the courses you did well in. So that's what earnings reports do. When companies are reporting earnings, they're giving us their report card so we can look and see if they did well. And then they also give us an insight of what they will do in the next 3 months, because earnings reports come out every 3 months. Now, it can go positive or negative. Some companies may report and they will do well. Some companies will report and they will sell off. You see what happened last week with Tesla. Tesla reported earnings and they jumped. It was crazy. If you missed that video, please catch up on that video and make sure you watch that video. So, do you have a wealth plan? Because if you're buying stocks without having a plan, you would not know when to buy and know when to sell, or when to keep it for short term, or when you can keep it for long term. So please make sure you keep all these things in mind. So as I'm making this your reporting, I would like you to know that we are going to play with a good strategy. Repetition is mastery. Sometimes in the stock market, I do, most time, I do same thing every time. So I'm doing more of repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So let's go to the chart. So you can see my stock buys, the alert zone that I use for my passive income. And then when we come back, we'll talk about how to join the community. So let's go. I'm going to show you, first of all, the earnings reports. Can you see this? So today we have the companies that are striking for me are after market hours, which is Ford for Monday. Other ones don't strike me. Tuesday, that is tomorrow, I'm looking at SoFi and PayPal and Pfizer. And after market hours, my favorites of the moment is AMD and Alphabet and Snapchat. I love these 3 stocks. Wednesday, Eli Lilly, Thursday, okay, Microsoft, Meta, Coinbase, and these are my stocks. Okay, on Thursday, another set of big boys. So Tuesday and Thursday are the heavyweights. Sorry, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But this is going to be interesting. Amazon, Apple, Intel reporting after market close. Then on Friday, ExxonMobil and Chevron are going to be reporting. And this is why I love to follow this company called Earnings Whisper, because they show you every week the time they will report before market opens or when market is closed. So it is important that you get the juice. So now let's go to the chart so that I will share with you the stocks. So the first one I'm going to talk about is Palantir. Okay, this is Palantir. Palantir just hit an all-time high, which is 45. Um, um just pre-market, because market just opened. As you can see here, you see that market is moving. For you to get a clearer picture, let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. You can see what has been happening. So market just opened and the stock is selling off. Yes, so I'm getting a lot of notification because market just opened as I'm running this training. So Palantir is a stock that we've been buying since it was $20. So if you had been in my community when it was $20, we have been buying it. So now we are selling. I actually gave them $40 to sell, but now it is more than $40. So I'm no longer holding. I'm just keeping about 10% or 5% in case. But I'm hoping that when this stock will sell off, and analysts are saying that this stock will come down to about 36. And if he breaks 36, if he doesn't hold at 36, it will get to 28. So let's go to the daily candle so we can see where 36 is. This is 28, where they are looking that it may fall the second time, and this is 36. So a lot of times the big boys in Wall Street are actually waiting for this stock to drop back again for them to buy it back. So I'm looking to get this stock at 36 and possibly 28, which is will be very nice. It would be nice to grab it along that area if it ever comes down to that price. So keep an eye on it. Um, that's when I'll be doing another rinse and repeat on this stock. Then let me talk about the second stock that I'm watching, which is AMD. If you've been with me for some time now, you will notice I've been talking about AMD, which is an AI stock that after Nvda, this is my second favorite. So recently it has sold off to this point, which is 151, and we've been buying this stock. We've been buying it because I'm looking at this stock to get up to 200 or at least 180. Now, because their earnings report is when, let's look at the earnings report again. Their earnings report is Tuesday after market close. So let's go back. This is the last time they reported earnings. They reported earnings here and they sold off and then they picked up. So I'm still anticipating that if they report earnings tomorrow, it may sell off a bit or may take up and get to 170. Any of them can happen. It can go negative, it can go positive, but I'm buying here. If it drops lower, I will buy more before it will pick up. So that's my plan. What am I doing? I'm buying around 152, 153, 155. If it drops to 146, you can see this green, this yellow line that I put here. I'm hoping, why I'm putting it is these are another range of areas that I intend to buy. So between 135 and 150, I'm hoping that if it goes into this range, I will also buy. So I've given you a nice information that is going to help you. Now, what's the third stock that I am looking at? The third stock that I'm looking at is Snapchat. Okay, let me type it. Snap. So the same Snapchat that you use on your phone to take pictures. Yes. So Snapchat is the stock that I am looking at. And currently you can see it's been hovering around 8 to 10. I'm hoping that after reporting earnings, they will jump to 13 and possibly get to 15. So I'm picking this stock little by little, but I'm watching to see what will happen between today and the day they will report earnings, which is tomorrow and Wednesday. So let's look at that movement. Currently, the stock that we picked for last week were Tesla and Coinbase. Why am I talking about Coinbase? Coinbase is a Bitcoin stock that is making massive moves. We bought it when it was at 160, 164, and this stock touched 216. In fact, it touched 2119. I mean, yeah, 219, almost 220. And this stock, I'm watching it. If it touches this 220 again, let me go to the 30 minutes, or let me use the 1 hour so we can see it very well. So you can see it touched 224, but at least it touched 220. So I'm hoping that this stock will make another move to 220 and break that 220. If it breaks it, 220 will become a support and no longer a resistance. So these are the stocks we picked for last week that has made us a lot of money, that even beyond our expectation, and a lot of good things happen in the community. So if you like this type of video content, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and being a part of this. I love watching stocks because I love to follow the direction. I don't like to predict, but I prefer to follow the direction of the market. So in the next video, I don't want to say it, but I'm going to show you something that is going to make you money. So keep an eye, and I'll see you in the next video.